Hi, grade 6. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learner's Teacher Iman channel. Today I will start lesson 2 in unit 4. But before I will go to the so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today we will go to lesson 2 in unit 4. I think in unit 4. Okay, I started unit 4 last class. This is unit 4. Okay, this is unit 4. I would like to assure that it's unit 4 or not. Yes, it's unit 4. Last class we took lesson 1. I will make a quick revise on this lesson. Then I go to lesson 2. In this lesson, we talk about what the topic of this unit. It was about what celebrate good times, means we celebrate some important events in our life that we celebrated. Here we have decorate the birthday cake, blow up the balloons. This is the words that this is the vocab that we know it last class. Let off the fireworks, hang up streamers, make a playlist, send an invitation. We have some vocab, we talk about it, like cousin, string, email invitation, yard, scissors, candles, adult, and event. We talk about regular and irregular verbs, and we know the regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs means the verbs that adding ed to the verb. Regular verbs, that the verb change completely, like what, like send, sent. We have here d and t. We have mean, meant, find, found. So regular verbs must be what? Must be keep, because it's like the timetable, as we agree with each other that irregular verbs is like timetable in mathematics, must be keep it, because it's important to keep, and can't answer any sentence in English without keeping the irregular verbs. We know some expressions in this lesson, like what? Sure, of course, good idea, I'm not sure yet, RSVB, this the expression, like what, like please send me, please reply me or send me. Okay, here we have has and have and has to, let me know, really great, get dark. We have here some expressions, let's know together. Everyone is helping for Nesma's birthday. Yusuf is hanging up the streamers. Hani is blowing up the balloons. Dalida and Noha are decorating the cake. Amina is sending the invitations. I can't answer the exercise because I answered last video. You can return to the last video and revise what I told before. Who is the birthday party? Here we talk about Yusuf, talk about the birthday party. Hi Yusuf, what are you doing? Hi Hani, I'm hanging the streamers for my sister Nesma's party. Can you help me? Sure, what can I do, cousin? Will you pass me the scissors, please? I'm tying the streamers together and I need to cut the string. Can you also blow up some balloons? We need to hang them those up too. Darida and Noha, yes, they are. Yes, they are. They are decorating the birthday cake. They have candles. They have candles for it too. Oh, there is Amina. Amina, are you sending the invitations? Yusuf, yes, I am, but I'm sending everyone email invitations. Good idea. How many people are coming? I'm not sure. I wrote RSVB on the invitation. That means everyone. This abbreviation means what? Everyone has to let me know if they are coming. Okay. Who's choosing the music? Dalida is going to make a playlist on her phone. She made one for my party, and it was really great. That is right. It was really good. We can ask her to make it after she finishes the cake. Amina, and we need to find an adult to let off the fireworks in yard when it gets dark. Yes, Nasma loves them. I know I will ask my dad to do it. Let's go to lesson two today. Today our lesson is about I'm studying hard for the exam. I think all of us studying hard. If we have an exam, we have urgency. We have urgency in our homes. We can't do anything except studying only. You can, and if you have an exam, we study only. Don't do anything except studying. Okay, let's go to our lesson today. Here we have main vocab. Let's know this vocab together. Here we have news, indoors, hard, revision, exams, documentary. The documentary is a film about something, talk about history or about geography or like pyramids. We like, I give you an example. We have a documentary film about what? About pyramids or about mosque or about mosques in Egypt. Okay, in old Cairo. Okay, in old Cairo we have a documentary about mosques in old Cairo, or we have a documentary about pyramids, or I have documentary about museums. Okay, so this called documentary. Okay, here's we have extra. We have here extra vocab like important, ancient, Egypt. Free time means the time that I can't do anything. It's time for me to do anything, to practice sport, to read, to go with my friend. This is called free time. Silly, we have here exercise, reader, Egyptian, celebrations, armchair. I think all of us see armchair in our homes already. History, music, concert, left. Here we have regular verbs and irregular verbs. As we know that irregular verbs must be added ed to the verbs, and irregular verbs, the verb is changed completely. Like here, study, studied, worry, worried, cycle, cycled, to have ed, relax, relaxed, organized, organized, practice, practiced. Here we have the verb changes collectively, like what? Spend, spent, show, showed, wear, wore, tell, told, say, said, read, read. Okay, here the pronouns of read, it will be read, but it's written like the read. Okay. Here is an example, expressions and phrases. Let's go to know more about this topic. What's your news? Okay, so when I would like to ask about your news, I said, what's your news? What's your news? Here is study hard. How are things? 8 moment. Don't worry. When you say something, say for example, I am afraid from anything, so I say to them, don't worry. Okay, spend time, go get outside, do exercise, go running on the weekends, a few times a week, have fun, look forward to. What's the weather like? Take ages. What about you? When I tell someone, I'm happy to see you today. I say another one saying, what about you? I'm happy today. I'm happy today. Or I'm satisfied today. What about you? So can say, what about you? Here is feel a bit better. Wait a minute. Great fun. You are right about that. As usual, get ready. Here we have DVD is the abbreviation of what? Digital video desk. This is the abbreviation of this word. Here we have, as I talked about this topic before, about how to write an email. This is an email. In the exam, this topic comes, we have the email of you and the email of your friend. So you can't write any email except that we will give you in the exam, okay? That will be in your question, okay? In your question that we do it, okay? So here we have from Ali, quick mail.com. To what? To email.com. What's your news? Let's go to more to read this to read this email and know more about the two friends. Hi, Iyad. How are things? I'm studying hard. So, Iyad expressing to your friend Ali that he is having exams and now he's studying for the exam. I'm studying hard for my exams at the moment, but don't worry, I'm not spending all time indoors. I know it's important to get outside and do some exercise. So I'm going running every morning in the park. I'm also cycling on the weekends with my dad. I'm trying to see my friends a few times a week too. It's good to relax and have fun sometimes. So when we study, we must have 5 minutes to be fun. Then return to study, okay? Don't take the time fun. That is, we have 5 minutes to fun. And the rest of the day, it will be for what? For studying hard. To give, what? To get high marks. We must study hard to get high marks, okay? It's good to relax and have fun sometimes. And we try not to talk about how our revision is going. My friend Yasser is organizing a party at his house for the end of the exams. So we are looking forward to that. What is the weather like in Alexandria? It's really hot here already. In your last email, you asked me what I'm reading at the moment. I'm finishing everything in ancient Egypt, but it's taking ages. But because I'm a slow reader, I'm slow expressing himself by his slow. We have we have a quick reader. Quick means that read quickly. Another one can read slow to understand. Some others read slow to understand. Others read quickly. The understanding is we have high understanding, so we can read quickly. But others can't understand quickly, so it will be this person will say for them slow reader or slow one who takes information. Okay, I'm enjoying it. I love history books, and the documentary is good too. My mom said she will get me the DVD. What about you? What are you reading? Write soon and tell me your news, Ali. Here we have Ali goes space on the weekends. Go what? On the weekends, Ali goes what? Let's go to know. Cycling, go cycling. So the answer, it would be go cycling. Asad is organizing a party. Okay, as we know here. We're saying Miss Amira are clever because I read the text and I answer. The answer is clear. Party. Mom will get Ali the space. We'll get Ali what? We'll get Ali DVD. Okay, the DVD. Let's go to another one. Here is a dialogue. Let's read it together to know what this dialogue wants from us. Nesma. Hi, Salma. How are you? Hi, Nesma. I'm feeling a bit better. Thanks. I'm so sorry I couldn't come to your party. Was it fun? Can you show me the photos? Yes, of course. Wait a minute. They are on my phone. So Nesma seeing Salma the photos of her party. Okay. Wait a minute. They are on phone. Okay. The party was great fun. Look, here we are. Oh yes. What are you wearing? I'm wearing a party hat. A party hat. Do you like it? It's silly. Let's see some more. What are Noha and Dalia doing there? My sisters, they are playing with balloons, and my cousins, Hani and Yusuf, are trying to build a house. They are enjoying it, but you can see they aren't very good at it. Yes, you are right about that. And who is that girl in the red T-shirt? So he was saying that some girls and saying and can't know who is this girl that wearing a red T-shirt. She's talking to anyone. Nesma, that is Amina. She's sitting in an armchair reading her book as usual. You know, Amina, she's shy. She's very shy. Yes, she's. Where is the food? You can't see it here. My mom is still getting it ready. You can just see her in the kitchen. Look, I have another photo of the birthday cake somewhere. Yes, here it is. Wow, Nesma, it looks amazing. So when I'm surprising from something, it is saying I express this by saying what it looks amazing. It looks exciting. It looks for example it looks nice. Sometimes we say this expression to expressing surprising. Okay, are those strawberries? Strawberries? Are those strawberries? Yes, they are. And don't worry, there is still some birthday cake left. Let's go to my house and have some now. In this part, we talk about the present continuous tense. I think I explained this tense before, and in basic lessons that we explained in during summer vacation, I make a basic lessons about grammar. You can attend to the videos and see this lesson. But here I explain again this tense. The present continuous tense. What is this tense? First of all, this tense expressing what? Expressing the action that is happening now at the time of speaking. This tense is talking about the action that is happening in time of speaking. Like what? Let's go to read this together. We use the present continuous tense to talk about actions in progress around or near the moment of speaking. Often with time phrases like this week, we say this week, at the moment, today, now, and so on. They are organizing a party this week. We also use the present continuous tense to talk about actions that are happening in the moment of speaking. We are helping to make the birthday cake. We also use present continuous tense to describe things that are happening in the picture. Okay, she isn't talking to anyone. This expression we used during the text that we read it. Okay, here we have in the affirmative form we in present continuous what we can use the present continuous in affirmative form. We use I, he, she, it, you, we, they, you. I takes air plus the infinitive of the verb adding ing like this. They are playing with the pronoun. So here is the subject pronoun, the verb to be and is are plus the verb adding ing to the verb like this. Okay, let's go to another one. In the negative form, what can I do? I say I'm not doing something. So I say I'm not or isn't. You can have abbreviation of isn't like this. Okay, but in the and here is the abbreviation of are. I am written like this. Okay, we say Mom and Paula aren't enjoying the vacation. Aren't. Here I'll talk about the negative. In the question form, I replace the verb like is, he or she or it, plus the verb adding ing like this. They like this example. Are your cousins studying? No, they aren't. Okay, this is in the question form. In the WH question is the same like this. I will say right like this. What is Henny doing? He is reading a book. So here is WH question. Where are you having a picnic? We are having a picnic in the park. Okay. The keywords of this tense, it will be what? It will be this plus the time, this day, this morning, this anything. So it will be this at the moment, today, and now. This is the keywords of what? Of the this is the keywords of present continuous tense. Here is what I have 10 sentences. I answer 5, and I will leave the rest to do by at the homework. Okay. Now we know how to do the present continuous tense. It's easy to do it by yourself. Here we have I space writing a story about my adventures. So here we have I takes what in verb to be takes aim. I'm listening you saying, Miss Iman, aim. You are clever pupils. My brother here is singular. So what is the correct verb to be? We use it here. It will be is. Dalida and Habiba. So my brother is playing video games with his friends. Dina and Habiba, what are they doing? So here it will be plural, using what? Using are. So it will be Habiba and Dina and Habiba are drawing a beautiful picture. Nader space going to the park today. So here will be Nader. So I use what? I use verb to be in the negative form like this. Nader isn't going. Hani and Hannah aren't eating breakfast. So here is the keyword question of the continuous tense. It will be what? Can be always wrong. Why? Because always is the present simple. Yesterday in the present is the past. Go in the past. So the correct answer to be now. So I will leave the 5 sentences to do it by yourself. I think now we know how to do this exercise. I will leave it to you to do it by yourself. Let's go to another one here. Choose the correct answer. Today, I will give you lesson 2 only because I think that your syllabus is full of information and you can't be able to study this information. So today I will give you unit lesson 2 only to help you to study step by step. Okay. My father likes history, so he always watches cartoon, wrong. Adventure, wrong. Sport, wrong. I would like to do so, but because I replace myself as you in the exam, and I will make your mind before you select. Some of you saying, Miss Iman, choose the multiple choice is an easy question. Yes, it's an easy question, but it's not. But if you understand, you can't select without understanding. You must understand what is the suitable word in the suitable place. Don't answer anything, any word in any place. If you answer wrong, you can take 0. Okay, you have got 0. Okay. My father likes history, so my father likes history. So what are they doing? He always watches what? Can watches documentary, as we know in the text that we use documentary movies. So I selected number D. I have to clean the house and space my books. Exercise, wrong. Cycle, wrong. Say, wrong. So I can use what? Organize. And I have another word, it's like organize. Is the same meaning. It will be tidy. Okay, it will be tidy. Okay, like this. I will write it to you to know. Here we have another word. It's the same meaning of the organize. Space is my favorite subject. I like learn an ancient Egyptian. We can use science talk about ancient Egyptian. No, science talks about human, about things, about animals. So this is the topics of science. So which subject that talk about ancient Egyptian and the events that happened in the past? We can say in the mathematics, not in the mathematics. In the Arabic, not in the Arabic. So the suitable answer to be what? To be history. Okay. I talk about ancient Egyptian. So the subject that I favored, it will be what? It will be history. Hani is a great space. He always goes to the library to borrow books. To borrow books. Okay. It will be what? It will be great. What? Climber, not teacher, not worker, wrong. To be a great reader. Okay, it means like reading. They like to read. Okay, like reading. Okay, Dad bought a new bike for Islam because he likes what? He likes bike. It will be what? It will be cycling, not diving, not hanging, not running. Okay, to get high marks, you should make what? You should make a revision. You should make a revision before exams. Okay. Let's go to another question. Here we have another question that come in the exam. give you the words below the above the text. Above the we have words and we have a text, and we select the suitable word in the suitable place in this text. Yara is a student in grade 6. She's studying hard for what? For her exams. Studying what? For her exams. If you understand, you can answer this question in correct way. She's not spending all time in she's not spending all her time in what? Indoor for her time in space studying. He isn't spending all her time she knows it's important to go reading, to go here, could go reading. Sorry, or her times indoors, or in her indoors. So I not here, not indoors. Outdoors, it will be outdoors. He isn't spending all time here in indoors. Okay, not indoors, outdoors. I will revise the text again because I have. Spending time. Indoors, okay, it will be indoors like this, okay, indoors. I'm writing correct, but I would like to be sure for an answer, okay? Because you don't say Miss Iman making a mistake when we explaining us, okay? Here is Yara is a student in grade 6 studying for her exams. She's spending all time indoors studying. Indoors, I'm writing correctly. Indoors studying. She knows it's important to go outside. She's trying to see her friends a few times a week. She always reads books. She space everything ancient and ancient Egyptian at the moment because she loves history. She's reading. She's reading. She's reading. She's reading everything in ancient Egyptian at the moment because she loves history books. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have the rearrange. I answered 2 of them, and I will give you the rule that we use it here in this question. We have subject plus verb plus object. This is the rule. This is the rule that we use it here in this question. I would like to say this is the statement form. When we make a question, we replace the verb instead of what? Instead of subject. Let's continue the rest of the exercise here. Sister, my cooking food thumb is. So it will be my sister. So it will be my sister Is the subject. My sister is cooking some food. It could be my sister. This is subject. This is the verb. Is cooking some food. Cooking. My sister is cooking some food. My sister is cooking some food. And I put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Not I indoors spending my time all. So the answer it will be I'm not spending all my time indoors. I'm not spending. I'm not spending all my time indoors. All my time indoors. Because I'm studying. Indoors because I'm studying. Indoors, okay. I will leave the two sentences to do it by yourself. Now you know how to do it in the question form and in the statement form. I think now you understand how to do it. Let's go to another question, because I would like to end from this video today. Because as we told you that today I will explain only lesson 2 only. Okay. Next class we will take unit lesson 3 and 4. Okay. Today I will give you unit 2 only. Okay. Next class I will start lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 and 4. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here, this exercise is about what? It's about the present continuous tense that we explained during the lesson. I would like to say something. If the question we have this title, that this means this question is important, because coming in more than one governorate. So we must this question is important to do it. Okay. Here we have Hannah take a photo at the moment. At the moment, this when I see this word, so this word expressing me to this sentence in what? In the present continuous. So I put what? Is taking. So it would be taking. So in here we have taken. I omit e and adding ing to the verb. Okay, it will be Hannah is taking a photo at the moment. Let's go to another one. We are eating. If you know the keywords of the tenses, you can answer this question in correct way, and we take the full mark in this question. It's not difficult. This question is not difficult, and we took this question. I think this question is in the exams of English. Any English exam must have this question. Correct the verb. All of us know it, and and in our schools we took this question. This question is we can answer it by what? By knowing if the keywords of the tenses. If we know if we know the keywords of tenses, we can answer this question. If we have yesterday, this tense is past. If we have tomorrow, this tense is not in the future simple. We have now, so it will be in what? In continuous tense. So when we keep the keywords of the tense, you can answer this question in easy way. Okay, here it will be what? There is a space coming from school now. So it will be here. Here they takes what? In verb it will be takes are. So it will be they are coming. Here we writing is. So writing is to make you correct the verb. Okay, it will be are. If we space goes to theater to watch play now. So it will be what? It will be here. It will be we are going, not goes. It will be we are going. Here we are going. Let's go to, I will answer 10 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Now you can, I think now you know how to write this code. Mom space baking a chocolate cake. So here baking. So, and mom is singular. Singular takes what? Takes is. So it will be here is. Is, and the verb is an ing form. What are you space? What are you doing? So it will be here doing. Okay. So here it will be what? He is playing football now. He is studying. So it will be what here? It will be as isn't. It will be isn't playing. So I replace doing by isn't playing. Let's go to another one here. I'm space make a cake, make be a playlist. So it will be here. It will be verb to be. I space make a playlist for birthday party at the moment. It will be what? It will be I takes what in verb to be takes aim. And I put making how I write making I write making as it is, and I omit I and omit e, adding ing to the verb like this. You can write it as it is, or can make abbreviation by making apostrophe and writing m. I'm making a playlist for my birthday. What space doing? They are playing football. So the answer will be what I make, and I make what? I make a replacement or a scissor. It will be what? It will be what are they doing? It will be what are they doing? Okay. This is called replacement or scissors or anything. Okay. Means replace the verb instead of what? Instead of stuff. Here we have the girls stays in the park at the moment. It will be the girls what? It will be are. Why are here, Miss Iman? Because are here, girls here is plural and you have s and we have s. I put are here, so it will be are cycling, written like as it is. Okay. Today I answer 10 sentences. I will leave the rest to do by yourself. Now we know how to answer the question of the present continuous tense. It's easy to do it by yourself. Here we have the punctuate form. What can I do with the punctuate? Here we have what can I do this punctuate? Here we have apostrophe. So here we have apostrophe. I underline the wrong one. Here is I have apostrophe. I'm reading a book, reading at the moment, and I put full stop at the end of the sentence. I will leave this this email to do it. I think we took this the same in the lesson. I will leave it to do it by yourself. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Bye.